Why are you trying? Look at where you at. You can hit the brakes. You can hit the brakes. You can hit the brakes. You too. Face that. Follow me on Instagram. Boop. Follow me. Like this picture so I know you rock with me. Boop. Oh, and subscribe. Let's watch the video. Two scatties, two scat pack challengers. All right, we've seen the other scat pack build a sizable gap. This is Georgia State Patrol, so we already know how they finna get down. They probably gonna do some crazy pit maneuvers. We don't got sound yet, but every video just taps the sound in like that. So immediately they was about to pull over.
1080 times 2, 1080 times 2, great.
Through Georgia State University. That's what Georgia State looks like. Just in the middle of the city. Okay, nice to know. They're in the city. They're not going nowhere. Yeah, they're not going nowhere. Not that they're in the city.
Going connector south.
Nah, I don't see them getting away, bro. It started like the gap was already too close. This scat right here ain't talking about nothing, and he probably finna get smacked.
Coming up at 20.
Nope. Started getting away. Got some speed behind that car.
Way over to the right, might take 20.
It got some speed. It just takes a while to build. I feel like the scat, it's not immediate power. You know what I'm saying? I always want to know what they want to do. They should have split. They should have split up. Staying together ain't really gonna work. You gotta make them pick. You gotta make police pick. Which one you gonna go to?
They can't hang a curve.
They can't hit a curve. The old police officer said this man can't hit a curve. You can't drive. They said you can't drive. You're not a good driver.
All right, south of Fulton Street.
They said you missing shifts, buddy. He doing too much. That's his problem. You're gonna get caught. You don't understand. You're doing too much. It is why I say split up. You can hit the brakes. Why are you trying? Look at where you at. You can hit the brakes. 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 And he will go flying past. You can get off, bro. You could be good, bro. Your homeboy might be grits, but what are you doing? Look how far away you are. Look where he's gonna have to do so much to get you. You're making yourself easier to get caught as you keep switching lanes, bro. You have a car between. He's not gonna just ram into a regular pedestrian car, right? Bro, think. Cook. Both of y'all are cooked. Y'all gotta be some idiots, bro. Gotta be some idiots. Me personally, I'm sorry, bro. I gotta call him, and hey, bro, I'm finna get off. I'm getting off right here.
Yeah,
idiots.
passing 166.
Like hanging together, bro. This is not a fucking movie. It's not a movie, gang. They're getting caught, bro. He's getting caught in that black car. He don't know what he's doing.
Passing up 85, staying 75 south, Cleveland, 75 south, passing Cleveland. All right, one is exiting on Cleveland.
Oh, they split up. And look who he stayed with. You better stop hitting them brakes, bro. Like, you gotta use these cars on the road as decoys. Like, you gotta use them as, like, shields, as blockers, like a screen and roll in basketball, you know what I'm saying? Like, use a car, set up some type of pick play. Unfortunately, somebody, oh, he's getting away now. I'm doing too much chat. My bad, y'all. I think the score might shift right now. Right now, the score is 2-1 police. Will they tie it? Will Mopar tie it up? Let me know in the comments right now. How y'all feeling? I don't see him no more. Y'all see him? I don't see shit.
We're topped out.
His car topped out. Can't even keep up. It's over with. So all it does take is a scat. That's probably why they target. Like, you know what I'm saying? That's all it takes is a scat to get missing on a nigga.
Coming up to Riverdale. Notify Clayton County, Atlanta. Notify Clayton County. We're exiting on to Riverdale.
I know some niggas from Clayco. I'm sorry, y'all boys. He getting pitted. He getting pitted.
Southbound Riverdale. Almost 1050.
Smack the car.
Still going.
Smack the car. I'd be fucking pissed. We going too. I'm not gonna lie, bro. My car get fucking hit during somebody police pursuit. all things off the top. I'm following this police. Now I'm involved. Now I'm involved, and I'm gonna catch your ass for sure.
Yes, but you're probably better off.
You going to jail now. You are going to jail now, like for real, for real. I'm not letting you go. Y'all going out like that? Y'all gonna let somebody tap your car in a police pursuit? Nah, bro. I'm sorry, bro. You got 2 people on your ass. Bro, it's always so funny seeing their face when they get caught, bro. Cause they don't even like it didn't register yet that they got caught. Like, alright, look at bro. Look at him. Like he just done, it didn't register like, oh, I'm caught. Like, no, he like, I'm good. Don't worry about it. No, you're not good, bro. It's over with, bro. Like, you're not good, bro. It's not GTA, bro. You can't just keep smashing the gas. I ain't need no slow-mo replay, bro. I'm good, but I think he knew he was cooked right here. His face is it's very monotone. It's very like, it's not scared. It's just like, fuck. He must have thought he was okay. There's also a woman in the car. Now she's scared. She knows it's over with. Yeah. That's the look of fear. He probably has been in this before. She looks like it's her first time. She also looks like she might be on some type of narcotics. I don't know. Maybe some Erkies or something, a 30 or something. Her eyes are very wide. But nah, yeah. Bruh did his shit. Started running from the police, not masked up. I knew he would get caught, and I knew he would look like an idiot. But at the same time, like, it's two things going on in one. And it's just sad to see, because he had a chance. He had a chance to not get fucking caught. The only thing he did wrong was when he veered all the way off to the right. Bro, if you would have hit the brakes, like, the officer would have no choice but to follow the white car, because you would be gone. And the white car was so far ahead, he could have got off too. Y'all both could have got off. Police are up 3-1 against Mopars. What are y'all gonna do? I think we have to whip out the big boys. We gotta whip out the Hellcat. Like the video for the Hellcat. Also, guess what? I got a big announcement for you guys. If you want to see what happened to the white Scat Pack, click the video right now. That's not what happened to the white Scat Pack though. It's just some other guy in the Scat.